Look at the basket. What do we see?
Red apples, yellow bananas, purple grapes. Yippee!
Juicy sweets. Crunchy too. All the colors for me and you.
You don't answer question, but can you point to a red fruit? With how many bananas do you see? Mix, count, and munch. Mix, count, and munch. Fruit salad fun. 1, 2, 3. Colors in the sun. Chop and stir, we all can play. Fruit salad fiesta every day.
George peels the banana, Mia cuts the grape. Together they mix it in a big fruit shape.
Stir it, toss it, scoop it high. Fruit salad reaching to the sky. Piano roar to action. Can you pretend to stir your fruit salad with me?
Great tonic fun.
1 apple, 2 grapes, 3 banana slices, 4 purple grapes. Oh, that looks nice.
We count together 1, 2, 3.
Healthy eating is easy as can be.
Interrupting question. Go, how many fruits are in your bowl?
Color party.
Red, yellow, green, and purple too. Colors make our fruit salad look brand new.
Which color is your favorite? Can you say?
Mix and munch the rainbow way.
Sharing is sweet.
Now the salad's ready to eat. Friends and family, what a treat. Share a spoon, pass it around. Healthy fun for everyone in town. Final quotas, fruit salad fiesta. Mix, count, and munch. Fruit salad fun. Colors and counting for everyone. Teamwork, sharing, healthy delight. Fruit salad fiesta, yum tonight.
Yum. We mixed. We counted. We shared.
And now we feel super healthy and happy.